Hi, I'm Kare.
And I'm Allie.
And we want to talk with you a little bit about skin magic. iRevive. It is a plant-based quantum stem cell nutrition for your skin. You've never heard of anything like that. There's nothing else like this.
It is a complete game changer.
Absolutely, absolutely. What it does, when you put it on your skin, it dissolves the oily layer of your skin and then goes down and promotes stem cells. Those are called fibroblasts in your skin by 300% within a week. And then it goes down to the third layer and it opens up blood flow to come up and get the nutrition. This is nutrition for your skin.
Yeah.
And stem cells, they're the repair cells, but for most people my age, there's like none left. I'm 75. But when I started putting this on my skin, my wrinkles started going away. How are you using this?
I use it as my skincare, but it's the only thing I use.
Yeah.
It's replaced everything for me and my children. It has replaced all the serums, the retinols, the eye creams.
Even the moisturizers.
Yes,
At my age,
everything.
my skin was really dry. I used the tiniest little bit. I put it around my eyes and my mouth and my neck and just move it around. It moves like silk.
Yes. And it's amazing under makeup. Amazing.
I use it first thing in the morning after I wash my face, and then I do the same thing in the evening. And that has been my routine, but you can use it on everything.
Yes.
I mean,
I used it on my boys had eczema flare-ups a few months ago, and I used it on that, and they haven't come back. It hasn't come back at all.
and you can use it on brown spots, bug bites, burns,
Bug bites, yeah, for sure.
scar tissue. I mean, anything that's going on your skin. This is the thing that this is the crazy part. So I was listening to a doctor talk about fibroblasts in the skin, and what he said is, once they're done working on your skin, they migrate.
That's amazing.
What, migrate? They go into your brain, your eyes, your heart, whatever needs fixing. Now tell me, what skincare can do that?
None. None, I promise.
And my dog Chloe was licking her hands, her paws, and they were all red, and we put iRevive on it, and the swelling and the redness just went right away. I mean, this is good for everybody, for everything. It's amazing. It's the most amazing thing you can put on your skin.
It really is magic, and it really does replace every bottle of everything that you put on your skin. Skincare.
I used
everything.
handfuls of moisturizer on my face, and I don't even need it anymore. My skin is moist, and
I spent so much time putting on skincare morning and night, and it's so nice to just have one thing.
oh, you
that
know
I
what
put
happened
on.
to me in the middle of it? I did something to my neck the other day, and I put it on I'm thinking, what do I put on my neck? Put iRevive on my neck, and I went right to sleep, and I had been in a lot of pain. I woke up the next morning, and it was fine. So I'm thinking the fibroblasts actually went in and fixed whatever I had done to my neck. There's nothing like this. This is quantum, plant-based stem cell nutrition for your skin.
And it's magic.
Skin magic.
Yes, skin
For
magic.
everything.
Absolutely.
So if you're interested in purchasing this product, just click on the link below and we'll get you some.
Yes.
And it's $79. It's
That's it.
affordable.
That's less than one
Oh, yeah.
serum that you would buy anywhere.
Oh, no kidding.
Yep, and it's the only one that you need.
You're going to love it.
Yes, you are. Absolutely. You
Anybody
will.
that has skin needs it.
Yes.